Hey everyone, my name is Nate, and this is my AI avatar. Welcome to the AI Walkthru channel. This is the place where we learn AI together, get fluent in AI, and turn it into a real skill you can actually use. And if you have ever felt behind on all this AI stuff, don't worry, I have got you. So here is what I do on this channel. I take AI, all of it, the popular tools, the brand new apps, and the clever little workflows, and I break it all down into simple step-by-step walkthroughs that you can follow along with and copy. No hype, no jargon, no fluff, just real tools, real tasks, and real results that you can actually use in your work and in your day. So whether you are a total beginner who has never touched this stuff, or you already use AI every single day, trust me, there is something here for you. And I drop a brand new walkthrough every week. So if you are enjoying this, kindly tap that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you never miss one, and leave a comment telling me exactly what you want me to break down next. Let us build your AI fluency together. I will see you in the very first video.